Hi, this is Dr. Sridevi from AIMS University, Malaysia. Today I welcome you to the new topic, Introduction to the Concept of Green Chemistry. In this topic, you'll be learning about what is green chemistry, what is its origin, how to achieve green chemistry, and how to get the literature, etc. So let's begin the topic, green chemistry. Green chemistry is not a new branch of chemistry. Rather, it is thought process on existing and new tools and knowledge of chemistry in a way that it continues to contribute to the society while protecting the environmental also. Green chemistry can be defined as invention, design, development and application of chemical products and processes to reduce or to eliminate the use and generation of substances hazardous to human health and environment. What is green chemistry is about? Here we go. Green chemistry is about reducing the waste material production, reducing the material usage to produce new compounds or new chemicals or new products. It's about reducing the hazardous chemical reactions. It's about reducing the risk of many chemicals and chemical reactions. It's reducing about the energy utilization in a chemical process. And finally, it's about reducing the cost to produce new chemical reactions or new chemicals or new solvents, etc. Paul Anastas, considered as the father of green chemistry. In the mid-1990s, Anastas and co-workers at United States Environmental Protection Agency were developing the concept of benign by design, that is, designing environmentally benign products and processes to address the environmental issues of both chemical process and also chemical products by which they are produced. Green chemistry mainly looks at the pollution prevention on the molecular scale. Green chemistry program supports the invention of more environmentally friendly chemical processes which reduce or eliminate the generation of hazardous substances. The concept of green chemistry efficiently utilizes the raw materials, eliminates the waste and avoids the use of toxic or hazardous reagents and solvents in the manufacture and application of chemical products. Let's see what is the origin of green chemistry. The idea of green chemistry was initially developed as a response on the Pollution Prevention Act of 1990, which declared that US national policy should eliminate the pollution by improved design instead of treatment and disposal. By 1991, the EPA, which is called as US Environmental Protection Agency, Office of Pollution Prevention and Toxics, has launched a research grant program encouraging the redesign of existing chemical products and processes to reduce the impacts on human health and the environment. The EPA, in partnership with US National Science Foundation (NSF), proceeded to fund basic research in green chemistry in the early 1990s. The introduction of annual Presidential Green Chemistry Challenge Awards in 1996 drew attention to both academic and industrial green chemistry success stories. In the mid to late 1990s saw an increase in the number of international meetings devoted to green chemistry in various developed and developing countries. Another concept which has become the focus of attention both in industry and society at large in the last decade or more is that of sustainable development, which is defined as meeting the needs of present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable development and the green chemistry have now become a strategic industrial and social focuses. The former is our ultimate goal and the latter is a means to achieve it. Now let us see how we can achieve the green chemistry. The first step to achieve green chemistry begins from education. That is nothing but green chemistry education. Chemistry students need to be encouraged to consider the principles of green chemistry when designing the process and also choosing the reagents. Interactive teaching units (ITU) have been developed specially to introduce undergraduate students to the green chemistry. There are numerous scholarships and grants available for the researchers and also young scholars who are furthering the goals of green chemistry. Chemistry projects should also be designed to interpret greener route to the traditional chemical reactions. Teachers also have to plan the projects using greener methods. Reactions should not preferably involve the use of organic solvents. Instead, green solvents should be preferred. Experiment should avoid tedious experimental procedures like longer reaction time, reaction at higher temperatures. Let us see how to get the literature regarding the green chemistry. Articles are collated in a print and online issue of Green Chemistry published in June 2011, promoted to inspire the young scientists for future green chemistry and sustainable technologies. The well-known monthly journal Green Chemistry has been published themed issue on green solvents, alternative fluids in science and application, and detailing the recent advances and challenges faced in this area. A significant amount of material is available online, including the excellent Greener Education Materials for Chemists website hosted by the University of Oregon. You can see on the education pages of ACS. American Chemical Society is mainly focusing on the green chemistry. The Royal Society of Chemistry recently published a special themed issue of Chemistry Education Research and Practice in 2012 on sustainable development and green chemistry in chemistry education. It's a review available by Andrews and Dix, which describes teaching resources in print and online literature and their own experiences teaching in this field. There are also great ideas on green chemistry education you can find in Journal of Chemical Education and also Journal of Green Chemistry. There are plenty number of websites available regarding the literature of green chemistry. You can utilize all those literature sources to promote the green chemical reactions. There are many synonyms for green chemistry. It is also called as clean chemistry, atom economy, benign by design chemistry, eco-friendly chemistry, environmentally benign chemistry, sustainable chemistry, and also sometimes it is called as e-chemistry. So, the green chemistry is not a solution to all the problems, but the most fundamental approach to prevent the problems of pollution. Thank you for your patient listening about the introduction to the concept of green chemistry.